Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can add the transitions effects for your video in Capcut application. First and after, you just need to open the Capcut application and just stay into the edit section. And the next is you just need to open the project that you have here. You can also add for the new project or new video. So I wanted to make everything as original, so this is the normal video, and I will let you add more video, but just tap in this plus button and I will let you just use the CapCut video that provided by the Capcut, and then just need to tap cat right here, and then you just need to go tap search to find the video of cat. And I just need to find the video only by go change the type into the video, and then the filter could be send you the video of cat, and then I just need to pick one of them and just go click add right away after the video is ready. And the next, you just need to adjust in the duration. I will let to make it fast, so I will let you cut the durations right here. Perfect. I already have these two videos on my project. So if you want to add the transition, you just need to take a look on this small button that connecting these two clips. Tap on it, and it could be exploring the transitions options, and then you just need to pick the type of transitions that you want to use. They could be an overlay, camera, blur, light effect, basics, and so on and so on. So if you want to have like super smooth transition, just go click into the overlay, because these two clips will be assembled smoothly together. So the most transitions that I mostly use is just mix right here, and let's just see how smooth the transitions it will be. Tap on it, and then you just need to go adjusting the duration right here. If you want to make it long, just drag it into the right side. Right after that, you just need to see the result. So look how smooth it is. It's super smooth because the second clip could be in overlay sections with the first clip, so it could be moved super smooth. So that's for this tutorial, guys. You can explore by yourself the transition that you need for your video. Hopefully you enjoy this video today, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and let's meet again into other video.